Hey guys, my name is Kaila Kake. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm showing you guys my new desk setup slash desk area, organization, all that good stuff. And honestly, this corner is just my productivity corner. Like, this is where I really get all my work done. I film right here. I get ready right here. I do everything right here. I even just lounge right here. So I needed this space to be that space. You know, I really needed to create a space where I was super comfortable, where I felt inspired, where I just felt good, you know? In my previous space, you guys will see the before, it wasn't it. So I'm really happy how everything came out. So I can't wait for you guys to see the progress and what it looked like before and what it looks like now. Total transformation. So here's kind of an overview, and you guys are going to see, like, it just looked very drab, very boring, just not a place that felt welcoming. And I feel like this just, I want to sit here and work, you know? So I feel like the star of the show is these prints on the wall. They are from Desenio, and thank you so much to Desenio for sending these over. I'm honestly in love. I feel so just inspired by them. On Desenio, they have thousands upon thousands of prints that will match any aesthetic, any room decor, color, theme, anything that you can think of. They have it, and I love all of their prints. And it took me a while to kind of land on which one that I wanted to pick out, because there were so many, like so many good prints that went with my vibe. But I ultimately landed on these because I really couldn't stop staring at them. I literally kept clicking back to these, and I was like, these are just perfect. Like, I keep looking around just to make sure I didn't miss anything, but I just kept going back to these because they spoke to me. So these are the two pieces that I have for my desk. I actually have two other pieces to show you guys. They're actually for my bathroom, but it's not done being renovated, so we're gonna save that for the renovation video. I personally love abstract art because I feel like when you look at them, you can perceive something different each time. So for this one, I felt like it was kind of someone just sitting there and they look like they're doing this, just kind of thinking of ideas, brainstorming, coming up with greatness. And for this one, the lines kind of just like flow throughout the picture, and it just kind of reminded me of my ideas flowing through my head. Again, brainstorming, coming up with things blossoming and going upwards. So that is why I picked these two. So y'all let me know down below what you perceive of these two. I'm really curious to see what you guys think and what comes to mind when you see these photos. So yeah, definitely check Desenio out. I'll leave all the information down below, as well as a coupon code, so you guys can save a little money off of your order. And let's go ahead and get right into the video. So here's the before, and honestly it's just a mess, y'all. I let it get to this because I was just so over it, and I just didn't even care to really clean it because I knew I was going to declutter it either in the next couple days. So it's time, okay? It is so time. I hate it. I can't even open some of these drawers, y'all. It's just ridiculous. So it's time for a lot of these things to go, and I'm super proud of myself. I was really hard on myself as well because I just let myself know, look, if you have not used it within this amount of time, it has to go. No questions asked, no contemplating, no thinking about it. Get rid of it. So I grabbed some trash bags and I just went to work, y'all. I gave some stuff to family members, but most of it was like old makeup or just older things that I never am going to use anymore. So I just kind of trashed them because they were no good. And yeah, I did pretty good, y'all. I did pretty good. So we're almost all done, and I even found a $25 gift card. That's how you knew I had no clue what was in these drawers, y'all. So I'm just going to go ahead and clean off the top. That's pretty much all that was left. And then I'm going to go ahead and wipe everything down, disinfect it, because I actually sold these. So I'm happy that they went to a new home, but they just had to get up out of my home, okay? Because I was ready for something new. I was ready for a refresh for 2021. So I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum the area. I actually got this vacuum from Amazon, so it is linked in my Amazon store. So you'll find everything that I talk about on Amazon there, but this vacuum is honestly amazing. It was actually compared to the Dyson, but for a fraction of the price. So I picked it up and I totally agree. It's really, really nice. You guys should definitely check it out. So here's my new desk, and I'm so excited because I have been on IKEA for months waiting for this to come back in stock. And I have a little IKEA plug, and she told me that it's actually not going to be back in stock until June or July, and I could not do that. I needed it ASAP. So she recommended me to go on Facebook Marketplace, and I actually found this brand new for a really good price. So I went and got it exactly the next day, and I'm really satisfied. I'm happy because I didn't have to wait until June or July. I could not do that. I needed a refresh like ASAP. So this is the next morning, and I'm going to go ahead and start putting my things into the desk, just organizing everything. So I'm using these clear drawer, what are these called, drawer organizers, but they actually have little feet on them so they don't slip and slide around your drawer. I got these from Amazon as well. Okay, Amazon queen. So I'm just gonna basically just figure out, you know, what fits best where, and just clean everything out, make sure everything is good, you know, just organize my stuff so that it's easier to navigate when I'm doing my makeup, or, you know, whatever I go into the drawer for. I also made sure to make room for all of my like tech things, like things that I use to film and stuff like that. So that drawer is all done, and now I'm going to move on to my hair drawer. So these are pretty much all the immediate things that I use, like my brushes, combs, hair ties, clips, stuff like that. So I'm going to go ahead and organize this. And below it is a little cabinet area where I'm going to be holding all my hair products and my hair tools. But I wanted to take the door off because I wanted to do something really cute here. It ended up not really going the way I thought it was going to go. When you'll see that in a second. But yeah, I took the door off because I felt like I wanted a more open kind of looking situation. I don't really know how to explain it, but yeah. So I got a knock at the door, and it was my Desenio prints, and I actually got four. So I got two for my filming area slash desk area, and then I got two for my bathroom. Honestly, I saw these online and they were beautiful, and then when I got them, I was just totally stunned. Like, they just look so much better in person. They also gave me a little freebie, so I think I may put this in my kitchen. So these two are for my room, and then the other two are for my bathroom. So this one is a silhouette of a body, and then the next one is hands. So, you know, in your bathroom, you wash your hands and you wash your body. So I just thought it would be cute in there. And then they also gave me four frames, which are honestly so bomb. So all you have to do is take the plastic wrap off, pop the back off, and actually the clear part to protect your prints, it actually has a film on it, which I've never seen before. So everything was super protected. I was very, very satisfied, and I just slipped my prints in there, popped the back on. So I'm just going to go ahead and take the mirror down. That was from my previous setup. You guys have seen this. It's from IKEA. And I'm going to prep to get my prints on the wall. I'm so excited. So all I did was use a drill and some screws, and then drywall screws, and also a leveler to make sure that everything was straight. And I'm just going to go ahead and place the print on the wall, mark it where I want it, and then drill the hole. So just make sure that you guys kind of eye it out before you drill a permanent hole in your wall. So I did use drywall screws, but I really didn't need to because these prints are actually really lightweight. So you can even put them up with command strips if you are living in an apartment or anything and you can't, drill holes in your walls. So there's definitely options for everyone. So I just went ahead and did the same thing for the other print. So make sure you guys check down below for the coupon code so you can save a little money off until January 21st. I love these, and I know you're going to find some that you love. So shout out to Desenio again. And let's get back into the rest of the room decor. So this pampas grass, you guys, I was so scared to order pampas grass online because I've heard horror stories, like some coming and it just looks crazy, like it just doesn't look like the pictures. But this seller on Etsy, she blew my mind out of the water. These were so good, so fluffy, and just perfect. So I'll link her shop down below. So funny story time with these pampas grass. I almost ruined them. If you can see, one side is super flat and the other is kind of fluffy. So basically what happened was I was outside shaking them out because you're supposed to shake them just to make sure that any of the loose leaves kind of fall out. You don't really want that in your house. I mean, I don't. So yeah, I was shaking it outside, and then I went to hairspray it also outside, but the wind was blowing and it basically blew all of the little leaves right together, and it just, y'all almost ruined my pampas grass before I even got to set it up. So make sure that you guys shake it out outside and then do everything else in your house. So yeah, I almost ruined it, but I saved it just by picking it apart a little bit. So on to the shelving area, I'm going to use these plastic bins. So I was actually wanting to do like a woven basket or like a rattan basket here, but I honestly had to compromise with myself because of my hair products. I was just like, if anything spills, then the basket is ruined, my desk is ruined. Like, it's just not a good idea. So I opted for plastic, but of course in the same color scheme. These are kind of like a lighter nude. These are from Home Goods, and they also have, I think, black, a lilac color, clear, and then gray. So if you're interested in any of those colors, definitely head to Home Goods ASAP because I got these pretty recently. So I thought that this section would only fit two, but it actually will fit three. So I actually went back to Home Goods and got another one, and I filled the last one up with all of my nail products. So just a few finishing touches. I have this Apple Watch stand because I recently got an Apple Watch. So I found this one on Amazon and it is honestly perfect. It's super minimal and I just feel like it's so much cuter than like a big clunky stand. So yeah, you just pop your charger through, place it in the little hole, and then you just put your Apple Watch on there and it charges. Like, how cute is this? So all of this stuff will be linked in my Amazon store down below. I also got a tabletop mat. This is leather, I believe, or faux leather. I also got this from Amazon, the Amazon Queen. I told y'all, okay, I'm not playing. I love Amazon. But yeah, this is just to serve as like a protective for the desk. And also, if I ever decide to do like an external keyboard or like mouse situation, this can also serve as a mouse pad. So I love this thing, and I do come in a bunch of other colors as well. And I also got a monitor stand. So this is acrylic, and the reason I got it in acrylic is because I didn't want my desk to seem so overcrowded. So the acrylic slash see-through kind of, you know, it serves its purpose, but it also keeps the space looking very open. So this was perfect, perfect, perfect. Also from Amazon. And I'm going to place a couple of things like my planner and my hard drive. I want to keep my desk very neat and minimal looking. I just didn't want like too much on my desk because I know my other situation was just super overcrowded. So I just wanted to do a very minimal type of vibe. And this is the finished desk area slash, I guess you could call it a productivity corner, because this is really where I work. It's where I come and I even just chill over here. Like, I want to come over here and spend time over here. Like, that is something that I wanted. I feel like I really created my dream just office slash productivity space, I guess. I don't even know what to call it, but it's just like my, I just, I've dreamed of spaces like this. Like, this is literally me. I'm happy, okay? I'm really, really, really excited. And shout out to Desenio again for sending me these beautiful pieces and also the pieces for my bathroom. And oh my goodness, like, y'all definitely need to check out Desenio. I feel like prints really elevate a space. Like, I could have easily put a mirror here, but then I was like, no, a mirror isn't going to do nothing. I'm just going to be looking at myself. I need something that's going to, like, you know, get the juices flowing. So our prints were perfect for that. So yeah, shout out to them. Definitely check them out down below. And that is it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next video.